Welcome to Pre-AP Geometry at the Virtual High School. Once you've arrived at our homepage, you're going to log in using your username and password. Then you're going to select the course that you are enrolled in. Once you've accessed the course, you will see that there is course information about your instructor, their office hours, and when the live lessons are held. You'll also see their email address. Once you don't need this information anymore, you can collapse this widget, but you can always get it back by clicking Expand this widget. By collapsing this widget, you'll bring the News Items widget into display. This News Items widget will have important information about the course, so be sure to check that News Items widget every day. To the right of the screen, you'll find a course calendar. In upcoming events, you'll see important things such as due dates for lessons, quizzes, and tests, as well as discussion boards. You'll also find links to the live lessons that will happen throughout the course. If you come down to the User Links widget, you will see that there are a lot of links to useful information. So if you're having trouble, be sure to check out that User Links information widget. To access your email in the course, you're going to click on this little envelope up at the top right hand side of the screen. You can also access different information such as your profile, notifications, and account settings. And you are students, but I'm an instructor, so I can't see this. There will also be a progress link here as well. In the course, you can get to almost everything by clicking on Resources and Content. You'll start with the Module 0 orientation. This orientation has two parts, the program orientation and the course orientation. You will have received in an email a link from me containing the program orientation information. On the first day of the course, you'll receive access to the course orientation components. These components must be completed in order to access the content for the rest of the course. And this course orientation is set up just like the rest of the course. So if you can get used to what the course orientation is going to feel like, the rest of the course will have similar components. So you're going to access each of these by clicking on them in blue, and then you'll click on your lesson to get started in the course. Be sure once you are in the lesson that you use the links at the bottom of the page to move forward and backwards, and not the links to the upper right hand side of the screen. When you've completed the lesson, you're going to then click the next button, and that will take you to the next piece, which is a quiz. When you've completed the quiz, which you can do right in this screen, I can't do it because I am not a student in the course, you will then navigate to the next button up here. You'll have a discussion board activity to complete, which you'll access by clicking there. And once you've done that, you can hit the next button again, which will guide you to your IXL assignment. If you click on your IXL assignment, it will tell you which objectives to complete. Your instructor will have provided you with an email containing your username and password for IXL. Make sure you write that down in an important place because you will be using it often throughout the course. You then have a video assignment. This one cannot be completed at the face-to-face orientation and must be completed at home. So make sure that you log in and do that. And you'll complete your video assignment there. And then in each module, you'll find this before you move on piece. And what this does is it just allows you to look through and make sure you've completed each component in that module before you move forward to the next one. If you haven't, just go back and complete them so that way you don't have any outstanding assignments in the course. And then if you hit the next button, it will take you to the next piece. But I haven't submitted some of the pieces, so I actually can't view any of the other content right now. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email and I'd be happy to answer them. Let me know if you need any help with anything. I'm looking forward to a great session.